Elgato Dixon, yeah, so it's going on. Fucking 60 Pro. So this is like a cartoon. Thanks. I have. I think for King, I think things like. I think tactics. But this is like fucking 16 extra cartoon. Don't like France texturing. So this is like something that I was like probably was thinking game things and 2 months ago I was 2 months. I got a 4x landing. I think like currently I actually getting some extra hunts I could do but thanks a lot. The things right is that you do get next to and then a song that's like alright, like what to do. So I can tell them. So I got so I'm gonna try to tank. So this is like the tank. And I kind of got tanks for some reason. So I can tank the X, but actually I can it looks like that's fine for I can sense X. So why don't I think so too. I can use I think so. And so it doesn't have so I feel like I think okay, so great. Yeah, so I think it's good. I was like I think anything like going actually that train let's see. Rank, affect the ranks, okay, okay, try to keep the settings. This seems like train. Okay. There we go. And so yeah, I think don't like that. Don't drinks are right to okay, try carrots. I don't like saying tank because I know that it doesn't like tank doesn't like carrots. It's amazing. It's like the things training. So I don't know. So I got ugly. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start camera. There we go. So I got something's wrong. So I think this is like a great blocking. So for I like three, like use that. Got a cat struggling and calling self. So that. God. This is. I think it's something. I couldn't find what this says. I got to think. As we say, I think I got to things. I don't like trying to get so like hope. But I like got to HD60. I don't have extreme link and the links. The links and links. Okay, so we easy, it's a whole thing. So okay, connects, you can go off, text, links, so connects. So, closing. Just a closet person. Whole things I trick their games. Right. Okay. So got. I thought it was like the tank or something like that. That's right. And I got tweet, Karen Falcons. There we go. That guy is like, there's a logo. I just get the Karen. So I go, inside that side, drink, you're green. You're right. Like, once again, if I had a strong soon, we can do that again. I think we get the right had to get sync screen stream tagging. Okay, got the pixel encoding. Okay, I don't. They got the fake like security nets. This kind of ain't. I got the other day. Okay. I can't take that the other day. I guess that's that. Bye guys. I can't get that ain't. I gotta don't. Bye guys ain't. I think so. So, connects, I can go get things like that and see how get something done. But I think that's not going to do it. So, that's should I thanks. Sync and but again guys, I can hope that doing that site as well. So I get this gathering. Please try that connect as well as subscribe and click that. Alright. Click the that. So you don't get linked. I think ain't doing content for them. So I think that's ain't some comments. Tape and that's all. Thanks for watching.